Now, Alfred's landscape has been done using pen and watercolour, and the style he's used gives this picture a real sense of movement. Looks like a windy day, doesn't it? Oh, yeah. Fabulous watercolour picture there, Alfred. Now, watercolours are just brilliant for creating delicate washes and transparent effects like in Alfred's picture. But what if you want to paint more solid colours in your pictures? Well, you don't need to spend ages painting on layers of watercolour paint. Use some of this stuff instead. Gouache paint. It's a type of watercolour, but it gives a flatter, more solid effect. Now, you can use a little bit of water to get it all charged up and moving, and the idea is to paint large, flat areas like that, and it covers really well without having to keep going over it. It feels a lot different to watercolour, a lot thicker, but gives this real classy finish. Very thick. And unlike ordinary watercolour paint, gouache paint dries fairly quickly, which means you can go over your painting and add fine detail with more paint or pens or even pencils, like that. See that? And you can do it a lot quicker than you'd be able to do this with ordinary watercolour. Nice one. So, okay, where were we?